Please subscribe Blighty Tech channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notification. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Raj, and today in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of a 5 meter RGB LED strip light. So I have purchased this from Flipkart, and today we're gonna see how we can use this behind our monitors or TV. If you want, you can use this anywhere you want, and it is coming with a remote control. You can choose the color whatever you want as per this remote. So this is a good deal you are getting in Flipkart. So let's see what we are getting in this box. First we are getting a remote. With the help of this remote you can change the colors and mode as per your requirement. And then we have this 5 meter RGB light strip. So this is the 5 meter strip, and then we are getting this adapter. So this is basically the remote controller, and then we have a adapter which will give you the power. So let me set up this RGB light in my monitor. So now I have installed this RGB LED strips on my desktop. So you can see I have installed this around my PC, and you have different modes to change the lights, and you can change the color according to your preference. So guys, hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.